Today we're checking out the Dr.No Octave Fuzz Flying Machina. It's a super cool pedal. We got a request from someone to do a video on it, so we're going to. If you want to see us do any other pedal, go ahead and send us a comment or a message or whatever you like and tell us what you want to see. Check our inventory at guitarchimp.com. Let's jump in. Holy cats, this pedal is super amazing. I love the look of it is one thing, but like it has a lot of flavors in it, so you can get pretty much anything out of it you want. One thing I really have to mention is the fact that unlike a crybaby like I have, I feel like I have to really stomp on it to get it to turn on and off. This thing is super effortless. It doesn't take much at all to really turn it off, but it's not gonna click off just by bringing it all the way to the toe. Yeah, bitchin'. Pick one up. Cheers.